Hello students. Now coming in solubility and solubility product base. Solubility and solubility product base. Some more questions. We get next kind of question given to you in complex formation. This will take solubility and complex formation. And complex formation. Solubility and complex formation. Like if I ask one simple question to you people, that in a simple question taken here, like for AgCl, यह question क्या है कि in which of the following cases, if I take one objective question, in which of the following cases the solubility of AgCl is maximum? Type question. In which of the following cases the solubility of AgCl is maximum? Like you have given options: pure water, आपको ऑप्शन बी दिया है 0.01 मोलर, NaCl सॉल्यूशन, सी दिया है 0.02 मोलर, CaCl2 सॉल्यूशन, ऑप्शन डी आपको दिया है 0.02 मोलर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ AgNO3, ऑप्शन आपको डी दिया है 0.2 मोलर एक्वस अमोनिया सॉल्यूशन. We have given 4 options. So what do you think is the correct option, correct answer for this question? That in which of the following cases the solubility of AgCl is maximum? Can you tell the answer for this question? Okay. Option A. देखिए यहाँ पे तो डेफिनेटली आउट ऑफ A, B, C option in A solubility is maximum. We have already discussed that in option B and C there is common ion effect. किसका आएगा common ion effect यहाँ पर Cl नेगेटिव का आएगा common ion effect, और C में किसका आएगा Ag plus ions will have common ion effect. So because of common ion effect the solubility of AgCl is lower in option B and C than option A. It is sure that out of A, B, C option the solubility of AgCl is maximum in pure water. But among the given option, it is not highest. In this question, the correct answer is option D. In this case, the correct answer is option D. Why? See, we have discussed that whenever we add any common ion, then what happens? The reaction of equilibrium, the solubility equations at equilibrium will move in the backward direction, and for the salt, solubility will decrease. And for the salt, solubility will decrease. Now what happened here? In this solution, we are not adding common ion. If you take option B and C, we are adding common ion. So solubility in option B and C is lower. Now suppose if it happen that if we can decrease one of the product ion in the solubility of salts, then concentration of one ion decrease means the concentration of second ion has to increase. If I write the reaction of AgCl when we dissolve, क्या देगा आपको सॉल्यूशन में Ag plus Cl negative ion, both are aqueous. Now in option B we are adding Cl negative, so Cl negative increase, Ag ion decrease, reaction move in the backward direction. In option C we are adding Ag plus ions from solution of AgNO3, so concentration of Ag plus ion increases. Then Cl negative decrease, so reaction move in the backward direction. What happened in option D? We are adding in solution in option D aqueous ammonia, and when we add in solution aqueous ammonia, it is reacting with the Ag plus ion. Ag plus ammonia. What happened? They will form complex Ag NH3 whole twice plus. They form this complex. Now what happened? if we have this Ag plus ions consumed in the side reaction, second reaction, so if concentration of Ag plus ion decreases, क्या होगा इसमें, इसका concentration कम होगा क्योंकि यहाँ पर एक कंज्यूम होगा सेकेंड रिएक्शन में। अगर यहाँ पर एक कम होंगे तो यहाँ पे क्या होना चाहिए, बढ़ना चाहिए। कैसे बढ़ेगा, the reaction of equilibrium of solubility will move in the forward direction. Simple logic है from Lee-Chatter's principle. If you add product, reaction go in the backward direction. If you remove one product, second product has to increase. How the second product can increase? The reaction has to move in the forward direction. This reaction of equilibrium is moving in the forward direction. Concentration of Cl negative ion will increase, or for the salt solubility will increase. In this case, we can dissolve more salt. So let us say how to find solubility in such cases. कि solubility कितना होगा। अगर मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया है कि इस केस में solubility निकालो, इसमें निकालो, इसमें निकालो, already we discuss. अगर क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं कि find solubility in solution of ammonia, then how to find solubility? Let us come. To decide solubility in such cases, we can take some terms like, in question use the term here Kf. Kf is called as formation constant. Formation constant, or Ks. Ks is called as stability constant. Stability constant. In solving question, we require these terms. इन टर्म का मीनिंग क्या होता है? These terms can be taken same as, they are same as reactions Kc or equilibrium constant. They are same as a reaction equilibrium constant, same as Kc for complex formation. For complex formation reaction. Complex formation reaction. If I write the expression here like Cu plus 2 ions plus 4 ammonia molecules, they will form complex Cu NH3 whole 4 2 plus. It is complex formation. Or if I take reaction, suppose Ag plus ions can form complex with Cn negative ions. So they form Ag Cn2 minus. They are called complex ions. These ions are called as complex ions, in which we are having copper ions are acting as, copper or silver ions are acting as metal ions. Here ammonia or Cl negative ions are acting as ligands. They are acting as ligands. Ligands क्या होते हैं? They are ions or molecules which donate electron pair. Ligands क्या होते हैं? Ions or molecules which are electron pair donor. They are electron pair donor species. They are simply Lewis base. So the ions or molecules which can donate electron pair can act as ligands. ये पूरा आपका चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे in class in the topic of 12th portion. Chapter name is coordination compounds. Their structures, details, geometries, hybridization, all these points. फिलहाल देखते हैं ammonia और Cl negative ions are acting as ligands which use the metal vacant orbitals and they form covalent coordinate bonds, due to which they will form complexes. Okay, so in this complex formation reaction, the value of Kc is called as either Kf formation constant. For the complex formation, value of Kc is called as formation constant, or it is also called as Ks stability constant. We know that higher value of Kc means product is more stable, higher value of Kp/Kc means the product is more stable. Same thing also happens here, that if for the complex formation we have high value of Kc, then that means the complex is more stable, complex formed is more stable. So Kc is also called for this complex formation as stability constant. It is a measure of the complex stability. Higher value means complex is more stable. Are you getting this point? Now then second term taken is this opposite. We use the term Kd or Kins, because in question we are going to use this term frequently now, especially for advanced This Kd is called what here? It is called as dissociation constant, or it is called instability constant. Instability constant कितना होगा? It is 1 by रेडिएशन नॉर्म क्या आएगा? 1 by kf और I can write 1 by ks. ये होते क्या हैं? They can be taken same as kc और k equilibrium for complex compounds dissociation. सिंपल है. इस रिएक्शन का बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन लिखते हैं. We know that for the forward and backward direction, the relation of Kc. What is Kc relations? That Kc for the backward direction is equal to 1 by Kc of the forward direction. हमने रिएक्शन को उल्टा लिखा है यहाँ पर, तो क्या होगा? For the reverse reaction, what is K? 1 by K of the forward direction. So if I write, suppose here, if I suppose that AgCN2 minus when dissociate to given solution Ag plus 2Cn negative ion, then for the reaction Kc will be called as Kd or KINS. Anyone to take this reaction or any other reaction, FeCN6 4 minus can given solution ferrous ions plus 6 Cn negative ions. For the reaction of complex compounds, complex ions, dissociation, the value of Kc will be called as their dissociation constant, or also called as instability constant. So this terms you should be knowing clearly, because in the question में this given values are given. बच्चे पूछते हैं सर Kf होता क्या है? तो Kf होता है कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्मेशन के लिए उस इक्वेशन का Kc का वैल्यू. एक हाई वैल्यू अगर दिया है Kf का या Ks का, दैट मींस कॉम्प्लेक्स इज मोर स्टेबल. समटाइम्स दे गिव रिवर्स वैल्यू फॉर K इंस्टेबिलिटी, KINS और KD. तो ये होते हैं कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड में क्या? when the complex compound dissociates, then for the reaction of complex compound dissociation the value of Kc will be only called as Kd or K instability, KINS. I hope it is clear terms. ये आपको टर्म्स क्लियर होना चाहिए किसी भी क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व करने के लिए, स्पेशली व्हेन दे यूज दिस टर्म solubility and complex formation. Ksp will remain constant. In the question what happens? The data will be given of solubility of Ksp of the salt and the complex formation. The data can be given either as Kf or Ks, or the data can be given of Kd or KINS. The data will be given in this forms. So use the data properly and then you can answer the question easily. Okay? Now write a question. लिख लीजिए. देखिए how much of AgBr, write down. How much of AgBr can be dissolved in 1 liter of 0.4 molar aqueous ammonia solution. How much of AgBr can be dissolved in 1 liter of 0.4 molar aqueous ammonia solution? Full stop. Assume that AgNH3 whole twice plus is the only complex form. AgNH3 whole twice plus is the only complex form. Given Kf value for the complex formation, AgNH3 whole twice plus, the value of Kf is given 1 into 10 to the power 8, and for Ksp of AgBr is given, Ksp of AgBr is also given to you 5 into 10 to the power minus 13 n square. So in the question data is given to you, how much of AgBr can be dissolved in 1 liter of 0.4 molar aqueous ammonia solution. Assume that AgNH3 whole twice plus is the only complex form, and the value given of Kf of the complex formation is given, and for the salt you are given for the salt AgBr you are given the solubility product. I given the information. Try this question first yourself. Then I explain this question to you. हो गया? Now to solve this question, we write the two expressions. One is when we dissolve AgBr solid, क्या देगा solution आपको? Ag plus aqueous plus Br minus aqueous. For the salt, KSP is given to you. Expression of KSP. And second expression given what here? Ag plus ions will form complex with ammonia, aqueous ammonia giving AgNH3 whole twice plus. They form this complex. Now let us take for the salt, solubility can be taken x moles per liter. It is also x. Common ion in all the equations should have same concentration. In all the equation common ion should have same concentration. यहाँ भी x है, यहाँ भी x लिखोगे. यहाँ पर आपको अमोनिया दिया है 0.4 मोलर. Now out of this AgN given x moles per liter. यहाँ पे दिया ना वॉल्यूम पर लीटर, सो मोल्स और मोलरिटी सेम हो जाएगा. माइनस y मोल्स, they will consume 2 y moles. 1 mole consume 2 moles, so y mole will consume 2 y moles per liter of ammonia. 1 mole give 1 mole, so y moles give y moles. Ag plus ions common in both equations. We write minus y for Ag here also. In both equations for Ag ions, we write same concentration. And for this case, given the Kf value, KSP दिया है 5 into 10 to power minus 13 and Kf value given 10 to power 8. In solving this question or this kind of question, now we can take some approximation. We will take some approximation. What we can take in this case? Approximation that second reaction has very high Kf. The value of Kf is given how much? 10 to power 8. It is very very high. We have told you, if you remember, in chemical equilibrium, a very high value of Kpkc indicate the reaction almost goes to completion. The reaction almost goes to completion. That point we can use here as well. We can say that Kf value is very very high. That means almost all the Ag plus ion produced from the first reaction will undergo complex formation. All the Ag plus ion undergo complex formation. So the value of y can be taken nearly equal to x. Almost all the Ag ion undergo complex formation. So remaining is how much? 0.4 minus 2x. Now we add both equations. You can add. On adding both equations, we can see cancel the common terms. What is the net reaction coming on adding both equations? AgBr solid plus 2 ammonia aqueous give AgN cancel out हो गया है, complex AgNH3 whole twice plus Br minus aqueous, both are aqueous. तो ये कितना आपका रह गया? 0.4 minus 2x. It is x. It is x. Now when we add equations at equilibrium, what happened to Kc values? They are multiplied. They are multiplied. Multiplied means for the reaction, what is K of the reaction? Overall K equilibrium, it is Ksp into Kf is equal to x square divided by 0.4 minus 2x का होल स्क्वायर. Ksp आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में, Kf आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में, तो Ksp पता है, Kf आपको दिया है क्वेश्चन में. पुटिंग बोथ द वैल्यूज में क्या निकालना है? सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सॉल्ट, वो कितना है यहाँ पर? x. अब क्या निकालना है? सॉल्युबिलिटी ऑफ सॉल्ट, वो कितना है आपके यहाँ पर? x का वैल्यू. तो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड दैट इज योर आंसर. फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ x एंड दैट इज योर आंसर. सिंपल. तो इन सॉल्विंग आप निकालिए, on taking square root on both sides and solving, simplifying, the answer of solubility should come in this case x 2.8 into 10 to power minus 3 moles per liter as your answer of this question. Now you can see one point here. For the AgBr we have how much solubility product? 5 into 10 to power minus 13. 5 into 10 to power minus 13. Then if I take in pure water, how much can be solubility? Root of KSP. How much is solubility? Root of KSP. तो कितना आएगा इसमें? Root of this value will give the range, like if you write 50 into 10 to power minus 14. If you take that square root कितना आएगा? Something 7 into 10 to power minus 7 moles per liter. यहाँ कितना है? 2.8 into 10 to power minus 3. It is very high. It is very high as compared to that in pure water. तो क्या होता है इससे? ये आप सिंपल पॉइंट ध्यान रखिए. When we add common ion for the salt, solubility will decrease. If we consume the common ion in the side reaction, then for the salt, solubility will increase. तो यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है? Due to complex formation reaction, for the salt, solubility have been increased. For the salt, solubility have been increased. I hope it is clear. चलिए. Okay, right. Next question. लिखिए. Right on. Predict. Question दिया. Predict whether or not. Predict whether or not AgCl. Whether or not AgCl will be precipitated. AgCl will be precipitated from a solution which is 0.02 molar in NaCl solution, which is 0.02 molar in NaCl sodium chloride solution, and 0.05 molar in K potassium AgCN whole twice, KAgCN whole twice. Given the KSP of AgCl, 2.8 into 10 to power minus 10, 2.8 into 10 to power minus 10, and K instability of complex AgCl whole twice minus is 4 into 10 to power minus 19, and K instability of complex AgCl whole twice minus is 4 into 10 to power minus 19 m square. इसका यूनिट है. So you try this question yourself by the topic you learned till now. Okay, have it in this question. Now coming on solution part. Now to solve this question, we predict whether or not PPT will form. What we require for precipitation, we have condition that a salt can form precipitate only when ionic product exceeds solubility product. एक salt का बनाया PPT when its ionic product is more than the solubility product. यहाँ पर क्या है? KSP दिया है क्वेश्चन में. KSP will be constant. It is not variable. हमारा aim क्या होना चाहिए इस क्वेश्चन में? To find the ionic product. हमारा aim क्या होगा? To find the ionic product. And to form ionic product, what we require? We require concentration of Ag plus ions and Cl negative ions. Cl negative कहाँ से आएगा? NaCl से आपको दिया है. Cl negative ion कहाँ से आएंगे? NaCl से आपको दिया है. 1 mole can be 1 mole of Cl, तो 0.02 moles per liter can be Cl negative ion. Same 0.02 molar. Unknown क्या है इसमें? Concentration of Ag plus ions. Solution में नहीं दिया है, आपको खाली कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया है, कंपाउंड दिया है, कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड का, और इसका दिया है K instability given concentration also. So in this case, first of all, we will find the concentration of Ag plus ion from the complex ion dissociation. तो इसमें क्या करेंगे? हमें निकालना क्या है? ionic product. तो for that first we find the Ag plus ions. Ag ion कहाँ से है? कॉम्प्लेक्स कंपाउंड से. This can give Ag plus 2 Cl negative ion. This can give Ag plus 2 Cl negative ion. What is K instability given for the reaction? 4 into 10 to power minus 19. It's how much concentration given? 0.05 moles per liter. Out of which x moles per liter will dissociate. तो क्या देगा? x 2x. Now in this case we can take some approximation. What the value of K instability? Very very low. क्या रेंज दिया है? 10 to power minus 19. It's extremely low value of K instability. This very low value of K instability indicate that this reaction practically will not go to forward direction. That this reaction practically will not go to forward direction. तो क्या होगा इस केस में? We can say when the reaction is not going to forward direction, x is very low or x is neglected compared to 0.05. Since we have very low K stability, we can assume that x is very very low, so concentration of complex remain almost unchanged. In solving question, you should take some approximations. Otherwise, to solve it will take a lot of time. हो गया? अब इसको देख लीजिए. What is K instability by expression? Concentration of Ag plus ion x Cl minus 2x का square divided by 0.05 is equal to how much? 4 into 10 to power minus 19. When we solve this expression, we can find the value of x. आप निकालो कितना है x का वैल्यू? x in solving will come nearly 1.7 into 10 to power minus 7 moles per liter. अब चेक कर लीजिए, फिर टेक क्यूब रूट after solving. So value of x will be coming 1.7 into 10 to power minus 7. आप इसको निकाल पाएंगे. अब आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन ऑफ x वैल्यू हमारा अगला पॉइंट क्या है? कैलकुलेशन ऑफ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. तो व्हाट इज आयनिक प्रोडक्ट? कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस आयंस इनटू Cl नेगेटिव आयन. ये क्या है? x का वैल्यू सेम एज कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस आयंस. वी हैव गॉट द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस आयंस 1.7 into 10 to power minus 7. Cl कितना आएगा सॉल्यूशन में? 1 मोल कैन बी 1 मोल, तो 0.02 मोलर के 0.02 मोलर कितना आएगा? 1.7 into 2 if I write it 3.4 into 10 to power कितना आएगा इसमें? -9. I write 3 into 2 into 10 to power minus 2, तो -9 3.4. तो ये आपका वैल्यू ऑफ आयनिक प्रोडक्ट. Now in this case the value of ionic product is 3.4 into 10 to power minus 9. What is Ksp given? 2.8 into 10 to power minus 10. It is higher. So in this case, since the ionic product is coming out to be more than Ksp solubility product constant, that means PPT will form. PPT will form. So that will answer yes. Precipitation will take place. Right to next question लिखिए. H2S is bubbled. H2S gas. H2S is bubbled. Is bubbled in 0.2 molar NaCN solution. H2S is bubbled in 0.2 molar NaCN solution, which is also 0.02 molar each, which is also 0.02 molar each in AgCN whole twice minus AgCN2 minus and CdCN4 2 minus, which is also 0.02 molar each in AgCN whole twice minus and CdCN4 2 minus. Full stop. Which sulfide will precipitate first? Which sulfide will precipitate first? Ag2S or CdS? आपको ये निकालना है. Which sulfide will precipitate first? Ag2S or CdS? Given Ksp of Ag2S 10 to power minus 50. Given the Ksp of Ag2S is 10 to power minus 50. Ksp of CdS CdS is 7.2 into 10 to power minus 28. K instability KINS of AgCN2 minus is equal to 10 to power minus 20, and K instability of CdCN42 minus is 7.8 into 10 to power minus 18, and K instability of CdCN42 negative is 7.8 into 10 to power minus 18. Do this question yourself. हो गया आंसर? Now let's solve solution part. To solve this question, देखिए which will form PBT first, it depends upon the requirement of sulfide ions in both the cases. To find sulfide ions आपको क्या निकालना पड़ेगा? Concentration of Ag plus ions and Cd plus 2 ions. पहले आपको सोल्यूशन क्या दिया? कॉम्प्लेक्स दिया हुआ है, इससे हम निकालेंगे concentration of Ag plus और यहां से निकालेंगे Cd plus 2, and then we find the concentration required of sulfide ions for each ion Ag plus or Cd plus 2 for precipitation. आप सोचो ना कि हमें क्या करना है क्वेश्चन में, H2S बबल क्या सोल्यूशन है, NaCN सोल्यूशन है, तो क्या हुआ इस केस में? Solution already have concentration of Ag CN whole twice minus Cd CN42 minus. ये आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है क्वेश्चन में, हमारे काम का चीज इतना दिया है, इससे आपको सोचना है, हाँ उससे निकाल पाएंगे जो चीजें रिक्वायर्ड हो यहाँ से, ठीक है? तो ट्राई दिस क्वेश्चन. देखिए इसमें करना क्या है क्वेश्चन में, पहले देखते हैं, निकालते हैं जो इंफॉर्मेशन दिया है. लेट अस टेक K instability of AgCN whole twice. इसमें क्या लिखेंगे एक्सप्रेशन, when AgCN whole twice will dissociate with Ag plus 2 Cn negative ions. Value 2 Cn negative ions. Now in this case what is concentration of Ag plus आपको निकालना है, ये दिया है 0.02 मोलर, concentration 0.02 मोलर. What is concentration of Ag plus ion आपको निकालना है. If I write suppose minus x, ये कितना आएगा x, यहाँ आएगा 2x, but solution already have NaCN, तो plus 0.2 molar. So we can take in this case the what is value of K instability is very low, 10 power minus 20. We have very low value of K instability, so can take this reaction practically will not go to forward direction. Means x, this can be negligible or it is almost same. Further we are adding NaCN, which we are adding common ion. So due to common ion effect, reaction is moving in the backward direction. So x you can neglect comfortably. Ag आपको निकालना है, ये कितना आपका होगा 0.2 only, because x is negligible compared to 0.2 also. So in complex formation, what is the expression of K instability? क्या है इसमें? Concentration of Ag ions, that is x into 2 Cn negative ions 0.2 का square divided by 0.02. ये कितना आपको दिया वैल्यू है 10 to power minus 20. From here we can find the concentration of Ag plus ions कितना है, x is Ag plus ion concentration is equal to how much, आप निकाल पाएंगे इसको, निकालिए कितना आंसर आएगा इसका, ये आपका 5 into 10 to power minus 21. Concentration of Ag plus ion coming how much 5, अब चेक करो इसमें निकालना बहुत सिंपल है, ये कितना आपका जाएगा 0.04 मींस 2 हो गया, 2 मींस डिवाइड बाय 2 कर देंगे इसको आपने, तो कितना हुआ बाय 2 मींस इतना आ जाएगा आराम से. अगला देखते हैं. Similarly we can take second case also, which have lower K instability. So again say practically reaction will not go to forward direction. तो in second case expression में क्या होगा, Cd CN42 minus give Cd plus 2 ions plus 4 Cn negative ion, 4 Cn नेगेटिव आयन। के स्टेबिलिटी क्वालिटी दिया हुआ है वेरी लो, यहाँ पर दिया है 0.02 माइनस लेट्स से y 4y प्लस 0.2, तो अगेन वी कैन टेक दैट अप्रोक्सीमेशन 0.2 because NaCN with practically all Cn negative ions, ये होगा आपका nearly 0.02 only. From here when we solve the K stability expression, y into 0.2 का power 4 divided by 0.02 is how much? 7.8 into 10 to power minus 18. यहाँ से हम क्या निकाल पाएंगे? concentration of CD plus 2 ion, which is y is equal to how much? You can do calculation. It is 9.75 into 10 power minus 17. I just done calculation myself, so it is coming y का पाएगा 9.75 into 10 to power minus 17 आ जाएगा क्या? Concentration of CD plus 2 ions इतना आ गया आपका। अब इसको निकालने के बाद यह CD plus 2 आयंस निकाल लिया, ये थे Ag plus आयंस। अब आपको निकालना है सल्फाइड आयंस कितना रिक्वायर्ड है दोनों केस के लिए। तो व्हाट इज सल्फाइड आयन रिक्वायर्ड फॉर Ag2s? इट इज Ksp of Ag2s divided by concentration of Ag ion square. From here you get sulfide ions कितना आएगा निकालने पर आपको चेक कर लीजिए इसमें। Similarly sulfide ions will be coming how much? For precipitation of CdS, it is Ksp of CdS divided by Ksp of CdS by concentration Cd plus 2 ions। ये पता है आपको, KSP दिया है क्वेश्चन में, ये पता है, हम निकाल चुके हैं यहाँ पर कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ Ag प्लस आयंस। KSP दिया है CDS के लिए, CD प्लस 2 निकाल चुके हैं, यहाँ पर कितना है। अब इसको आप सॉल्व कर लीजिए। ऑन सॉल्विंग यू कैन फाइंड द आंसर whichever salt require lower sulfide ions, whichever sulfide require, sulfide means this Ag2s or CDS, whichever salt Ag2s or CDS require lower sulfide ions will form PPT first, because उसका KSP पहले क्रॉस होगा by the ionic product. So whichever have low requirement of sulfide ions will form PPT first. Don't write the answer कि जिसका भी KSP कम है वो PPT पहले बनेगा, ऐसा कंपल्सरी नहीं है, आपको क्वेश्चन देख के बोलना पड़ेगा। अब चेक करें इसमें निकाल के, ये आपका आएगा इसमें Ag प्लस सल्फाइड आएगा 4 into 10 to power minus 10, ये आपका आंसर आएगा इसके लिए। Ag प्लस आयन आपको रिकॉर्ड होंगे सल्फाइड आयंस, और यहाँ पर है 7.2 into 10 to power minus 12। ये चेक कर लिया कितना आंसर आना चाहिए सॉल्व करने पर। अब आप कंपेयर करो दोनों में। For Ag2s the concentration required of sulfide ion is how much? 4 into 10 to power minus 10, and for CDS what is sulfide ion required? 7.2 into 10 to power minus 12. It is lower value, reach fast in solution. So what is your answer? That means CDS will form PPT first. CDS form PPT first. ऐसे क्वेश्चन जब भी मिलते हैं आपको देखना है कि whichever salt require lower sulfide ions will form precipitate first. I hope it is clear this question. Actually ये concept through question है given you कि अगर क्वेश्चन में complex formation involve होते हैं किसी भी क्वेश्चन में, question have been given in different examination on complex formation and solubility or complex formation and concentration of ions calculation. So for such kind of question, just be careful and attend the question as per the requirement of question. Okay.